Ever wondered what strings in Java are and why they're so important? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Strings in Java are not just simple sequences of characters. They're more like a special type of object, designed to represent and manipulate these sequences. Now, you might be asking, why are strings treated as objects in Java? The answer lies in their immutability, meaning once a string object is created, it cannot be changed. This might sound restrictive, but it's actually a feature that offers many benefits like security and efficiency, especially when dealing with multi-threading environments. So, what's the bottom line? Strings are a powerhouse in the world of Java programming. They're not just a means to store and manipulate text, but a robust tool that helps us create more secure and efficient applications. So, strings are more than just a sequence of characters. They're a fundamental part of Java programming. Now, how do we create strings in Java? There are two main ways to do this. The first is using the new keyword, just like you would with other objects. For example, string s =, new string, hello. This creates a new string object in the heap memory. The second method is by using string literals like this. String s =, hello. This doesn't create a new object if the string already exists in the string constant pool, a special area of the heap memory. So what's the difference? Well, using the new keyword always creates a new object, but using string literals can save memory, as it reuses objects if they already exist in the pool. This can be more efficient, especially in programs with many strings. But does it matter which method you use? Sometimes. Depending on your program, choosing one method over the other could impact its performance and memory usage. Remember, how you create your string can impact your program's performance and memory usage. Java provides us with a rich set of methods to manipulate strings. Let's dive into them. When working with strings in Java, one of the most frequently used methods is length. This method returns the number of characters in a string. For instance, if you were to call length on the string hello world, it would return 11, because there are 11 characters in that string. Next up is charat. This method takes an index as an argument and returns the character at that index in the string. If we consider the string hello world again, calling charat with an argument of 0 would return h, because h is the first character in the string. Then we have substring. This method is particularly useful when you want to extract a part of a string. It takes two arguments, the start index and the end index. It returns a new string that starts from the start index and ends before the end index. So, in our hello world string, if we call substring, with arguments of 0 and 5, it would return hello. The equals method is used to compare two strings for equality. It checks whether two string objects contain the same sequence of characters. If they do, equals returns true. If not, it returns false. The concat method is used to join two strings together. If you have two strings, hello and world, and you call concat on hello with world as the argument, it will return hello world. And finally, let's touch upon string concatenation. In Java, you can concatenate or join two strings together using the plus operator. If you have the strings hello and world, you can concatenate them like so, hello plus world. This will give you the string hello world. These methods and operations are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to working with strings in Java. But mastering these will certainly give you a strong foundation to build upon. Understanding and effectively using string methods can make your coding life much easier. So, what have we learned about strings in Java today? We've dived into the fascinating world of strings, defining them as a sequence of characters essentially acting as objects in Java. We've understood their creation, exploring two primary ways, by string literal and by using the new keyword. Remember how we emphasized on their immutability? Yes, once created, a string object cannot be changed in Java. We've also delved into the various string methods that Java has to offer, such as length, charat, concat, equals, and split, among others. Each of these methods provides us with different ways to manipulate and utilize strings, making them a powerful tool in our Java programming arsenal. We've seen how strings, though simple, play a vital role in Java, influencing how we design and implement our solutions. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to handle strings in your Java programs. Keep coding and keep learning.